What's up, guys? It's Movie Over here, back for Blu-ray 4K Tuesday. Now, today's unboxing will be for a brand new release, starring Denzel Washington. And that is for the Equalizer on 4K. So it's the Equalizer 3 on 4K. That's 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital HD. So there's the front, spine, back, if you want to read details and special features. Okay, 2 discs, both with artwork. Disc 1, Blu-ray. Disc 2, 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of the Equalizer 3 on 4K. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Certainly, you in the comment section below. Letting me know what's your favorite Equalizer movie and what edition you'll be picking up. Thank you.